welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have some more clothes. I love my clothes. And our first one is from Just Strong, and they are athletic wear on Instagram. Let's see what we've got. They got a nice little thank you. Now I do have a discount code for 10% off. I will link in the description box down below. As I am an ambassador. So we got this cute little black long sleeve crop with just their logo, nice and simple, very breathable material. It's very thin, has the nice little thumb holes, and I got it in an extra small. Cute. And then obviously I had to get some pink. I do have another order on the way, but there was a delay due to one of the items being sold out, so I will do that in a separate video. We've got the boyfriend hoodie in pink. Nice and oversized. Has Just Strong nicely embroidered on it. And then has a decal on the back. It's a nice soft material on the inside. I got it in a size extra small as well because it is oversized. That's going to be super cozy in winter. And next one is also a fitness brand from Instagram, Astoria. I also have a coupon code for them. I did pay for all of these with my own money, but I do have a discount code for you guys. This one is Bridget15. I will link it down below as well. So I think I got all black from this one. Like the nice little reusable bags. So we got some nice joggers. Ooh, they look very small. I am short though, so hopefully they fit. Nice ribbed material. And I got these in a small. They got the little drawstring. So they're like a jogger legging, very stretchy. Couple little loose threads just hanging there. Then we got the matching long sleeve crop jacket. These do look really small though, but we'll see when we try them on. They are very stretchy, so I think they're meant to be fitted. This also has a little thumb holes, so that should be cute together. I will insert clips of me trying these on too. Then we got a nice grey sports bra. They don't have any tags or anything on them, like no. Oh wait, there it is on the side. So that's a size small, but there's no logos on the clothes. It's got the removable cut pads. Has like a nice breathable mesh material. And then we have another long sleeve little black crop with, this is a more smooth material, bit thicker, still thin but a lot thicker, and then has the ribbed on the sleeves. Cute. that's all for today. I will insert the try-on clips and leave coupon codes down below. So these are the leggings. They're not as tight or small as I thought they were. I actually still have some scrunch on the bottom. Very, very stretchy, very comfortable, squat proof, I think. As for the sports bra, I probably should have gone a size up. For my liking, there's a little bit too much boob on the side, but other than that, it feels very supportive and comfortable. And these also have the logo across the top. Then we have the little jumper to match these leggings. Now I do have cats, so all my stuff is already covered in cat hair. Predictable. Again, it's a bit tight, but it's very stretchy once it's on. Very form-fitted. Sleeves are a little bit long for me, but I'm very short. I'm not even 5 foot, so that's usual. If you like tight fitted, this would be good for you. I would personally probably go the next size up. I don't even have big boobs and it makes my boobs look big, so, but very cute outfit. This is the other Astoria top. Again, very form-fitted. If you like that, it would fit fine. I would personally probably size up next. I just don't like as restricting. Again, has a lot of thumb loops. Very soft, comfortable, supportive, and cute. And now we have the Just Strong crop. Much looser fit. I definitely prefer the slightly looser fit. Sleeves are a little bit long. Very breathable, thin material. Has the logo. Very cute. I like the length of the crop. Not too short, not too long. Thumbs up. And last, we have the boyfriend hoodie. Nice and oversized, not too oversized. Very comfortable. Do wish there was pockets. There's no pockets. Nice, simple logo on the front. Big one on the back. Kind of reminds me of the Quicksilver used to have back in the day. Super soft on the inside. Love the shade of pink. Yeah, you can always scrunch it up. Cute. I also forgot to mention, I also got this Just Strong Team hoodie. If you become an ambassador, you can apply for it as well. Still did pay for it, but it has my name and Instagram on the back if you would like to follow me. Immature Forever on Insta and TikTok. Thanks, bye.